Hello soulmates, in this video I'll teach you how to cut this cut together asymmetric hemline top. Please support this channel by hitting on the subscribe button and also on the like button. So to start drafting this pattern, you're going to use the same pattern, that is the front pattern, to draft out the back too. The only difference is the neckline. Mark your shoulder to bust measurement. I'm just marking the shoulder to under bust. What you need is the shoulder to bust, waist and top length. So for your top length, you can add additional 10 inches to your waistline. You want to mark your shoulder measurement, divide it by 2. Now after dividing it by 2, you add extra 2 inches to your measurement. For the neckline, using 4 inches for that, so I'll come down by 1 inch, then connect from that neckline that I have here to this point. Next is to mark your measurement. I'll place my tape and I will be marking the bust measurement. Divide it by 4 and mark. You add extra 1 inch for ease because it's a free top. Then you can add 1 inch for your sewing allowance. Mark your under bust measurement, then add your sewing allowance, add ease to it, also 1 inch ease. Mark your waist measurement divided by 4, add ease to it and your sewing allowance, 1 inch or 1.5 inch ease. Your hip measurement divided by 4, add 1 inch for ease and add your sewing allowance. Your sewing allowance should be at least 1 inch or 1.5. So I'll just go ahead to connect this from that point all the way to the waist. You notice I did not connect the under bust measurement. It's not really that important. I just marked it for marking sake. Next, what I'll do is to connect my neckline. So I'll just go out a bit by ½ inch and then I'll connect. So for my sleeve opening, I'll be using 9 inches, which is close to my bust line. Then I will connect it. That is the opening for the sleeve of the dress, the hand of the dress. I'm using 9 inches. Another reason why I'm using that is the chest line. My armhole line is 7.5. Then I added 1.5 inches, giving me 9 inches. The depth of the neckline of this dress, I'll use 3 inches for the depth. Remember the width I used is 4 inches and I will connect. After connecting at this point, I'll also mark out for the back neckline. Remember, like I said, I'll be using the same pattern for both the front and the back of this dress. So I'll go ahead to cut out this pattern first. Then we will now go ahead to adjust the asymmetric hemline of the dress. Now this is the front neckline. Then I'll come down by 1 inch. 1 inch is for the depth for the back neckline. I'll just go ahead to connect and I will cut this out. So this is me measuring the sleeve opening just to show you. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead to subscribe by supporting this channel. So I'll go ahead to cut this out. I'll also go ahead to cut only the back neckline, because when you're making your dress, you place your pattern, cut out the back neckline first, then before going ahead to cut out the front neckline. If you have any question you want to ask, please drop it at the comment section. I'll open it up, then let's work on the hemline of this dress. After cutting out the neckline, I'll open my pattern, then I'll outline the waistline, because you need to note where your waistline is. The asymmetric hemline started slightly before or after the after the waistline. I'll mark 2 inches here, then I will draw out the asymmetric shape. I'll be using a free hand to do this, then I will connect it. Now you want to close up that your sewing allowance and connect, so that when you connect to that point, you know that that will be your sewing allowance. So this is what I have for my pattern. So what I'll do is to go ahead to cut this out. Now after cutting this out, this is what you will have for your back pattern. Now place it and transfer to your fabric. To cut out for your front pattern, go ahead to cut this out. Now also remember to add a belt to the side of this dress, so that it will give more fitting to the waistline area, just like we have seen on the video.